So you might be in a situation where for some reason when you're going through and if you're, basically trying to set up a live wallpaper inside of your iPhone, you might be getting that pop-up that says motion is not available for that particular wallpaper. So sometimes that might end up happening if you're choosing a different wallpaper if you're doing something else. Now keep in mind, if you have an iPhone 6s or below, you will not have that live photo option, but also if you're on iOS 16 or 17, Apple removed that live photos option anyways. So you're not really going to be able to get that type of capability anyways on top of that. So kind of keep that in mind. If you're getting that like motion is not available, you might be in one of those particular situations. Now, let's say you're in a particular wallpaper picking portion and let's say it's supposed to be giving you that wallpaper option, but it's not. Another thing you might want to make your eye out for is to make sure you're not on low power mode. So sometimes if you're on low power mode, that might be giving you some problems. So make sure you're not on low power mode. That can be easily one of the bigger issues you might run into there as well. You might also want to make sure you don't have reduce motion settings enabled. And you can go and configure this by going onto your settings application right here. You then want to go through and click on accessibility. So hop down to accessibility right here. You want to find the motion panel, which is right here. And you want to make sure this reduce motion option isn't enabled, because if it is, that can probably be a problem. And finally, if none of those things are working, you might just want to go back inside of your settings application here, click on general, click on software update, and pretty much just software update your phone. And that's another thing you can do as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.